I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the sort function in Microsoft Excel. Unlike the traditional sorting buttons found on the Excel ribbon, which permanently rearrange your original data row by row, the sort function is a dynamic formula. It takes an existing block of data, reorganizes it based on your instructions, and spills the sorted results into a brand new, completely separate area of your spreadsheet that updates automatically whenever your source data changes. Step 1. Open your spreadsheet and locate the data you want to organize. For our example, we are using a list of the top 200 individual comic issues featuring columns for title, issue number, writer, artist, publisher, year, and genre. Let's say you want to sort this entire list alphabetically by the title column. Step 2. Click into an empty cell where you want the new sorted version of your list to begin and type equal sort open parentheses. Step 3. Select the entire array of data you want to sort, making sure to exclude the top header row. For our collection list, you would highlight cells A2 through G201, followed by a comma. Step 4. Tell Excel which column you want to sort by entering its index number. Since title is the very first column on the left side of our selected data block, you will type the number 1 followed by another comma. Step 5. Define your sorting order by typing a 1 for ascending order, which means A to Z, or typing a -1 for descending order, which means Z to A. For standard alphabetical order, type 1. Your complete formula should now look like what you see on your screen. Step 6. Type a closing parentheses and press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will instantly generate a perfectly sorted duplicate list in your chosen empty space without altering your original table structure. The sort function becomes even more useful when you need to arrange your records by secondary columns that aren't located at the beginning of your sheet. For instance, if you wanted to organize your comic book collection chronologically by the release year instead of by the title, the only change you need to make is updating that second argument in the formula. Since the year data lives in the 6th column of our table, you would change that index number from a 1 to a 6, making your formula read like what you see on the screen. This tells Excel to look past the titles, writers, and publishers and focus its sorting logic entirely on the numerical year values. Because the sort function is a dynamic array formula, it features a behavior known as spilling. This means the formula automatically expands downward and sideways to fill as many cells as the original dataset requires. You must ensure that the entire area below and to the right of your formula cell is completely clear of text, borders, or hidden spaces. If Excel blocks against any pre-existing data while trying to expand the list, it will fail to load and display a spill error until you clear those obstructing cells. The major advantage here is that if you later add a brand new comic book entry to row 202 of your primary list, your formula output will instantly refresh to include and resort that new item without any manual clicking. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.